Hello and welcome to Enthusiast Auto House and our 1964 Chevrolet C10 race truck. Everything has been touched. The frame, the suspension, the wheels, the brakes, the engine, the transmission. It's pushing upwards of 1,000 horsepower and it's shockingly easy to drive. It has good heat, it has great AC, it has a turbo larger than my head, it's a T6 80mm with dual 50mm wastegates, forged internals on the LS3, it has a Jake's 480 transmission, Dakota Digital Dash, has the Holley EFI Digital Dash, B&N shifter. Lots of cool little touches in the interior. I particularly like the door panels here, and I'm a fan of the Mexicali seats. And they've got a cool finish on the back. Got a Bluetooth Boss Audio speaker setup. 6-point roll cage. The cooling system back here with fans. Everything has been touched, and it's a spectacular drive, and it's easy just to cruise around town or to drive like a total jerk. So there you have it, our 1964 Chevrolet C10.